Hi, my name is Dr. Traub, and this video is going to help you get started with the Automated Medical Assistant. Now that you've registered, you can set up with any number of users from 1 to as many as needed, and at least one billing provider to start. There may be more than that. So let's go ahead and sign in. I'm Dr. Traub, so I'm going to sign in as Dr. Traub. And the first thing that happens, I get presented with a list of practices that I might be associated with. Most users will just have one practice and therefore bypass the screen. But in this case, I'm going to select a sample practice. Brings us to the main menu. The first choice is the patient list, which is where we're going to do most of our data entry. But before we get started entering in patients, we want to enter in supporting data. So let's go into the provider list. We're going to use these choices right here. Provider list. And you can see that I've already been added as a provider. Select it. Click Submit. And make sure that all the blanks that you would need are filled in on this screen. If we would need to add another provider, we would click that choice there and fill in accordingly. Go back to the main menu. You can click on the logo at the top. Now we want to add referrers. Go to Referrer List, and you can see that I've already entered in some referrers, but to add a new referrer, because when you first register there won't be any in there, you select Add a New Referrer, and you're presented with this screen, and you fill in the blanks. Again, we'll click on the top and go back to the main menu. Next are insurance companies. Select from the drop-down, Add a New Insurance Company, click Submit, and fill in the blanks. Now, on every screen, you'll notice that there are certain fields in yellow. Those are required fields. Now, going into service codes, when you get your system and you're registered, it comes preloaded with a long list of service codes, which are not shown here, but on your system it will be. You can add new ones or edit any of those that you want. Let's go back to the main menu again. Diagnosis codes. And again here, when you register for the system, pretty much the entire DSM-IV diagnoses are in the drop-down. They're not shown here, but you will have that in your system. Click on the Go back to the main menu again. Patient types. Again, is preloaded with some basic patient types. A longer list will be included with your version. And then offices. If you have just one office, you'll just want to put in one office. And this concludes